Oh yeah, that's cold.
Oh yeah, that's
Oh my god, that's really cold.
Yo, flash flood out of this one. Keep going. So it's funny because on the website, it'll say like the warnings for the trail are like dehydration. It's like dehydration, then heat exhaustion, and then hypothermia. It's like, wait,
Chaos is coming down. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. We fought to stay alive, but nothing will survive. It's gonna rain. Secrets that I hide won't wash away my sins. All things have a price, some things you can't forgive. Board up every door, we won't outlast the storm. Chaos is coming, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain.
on the go.
Stop recording me.
Yo, vibing. How we feeling, bro?
Vibe check. Vibing.
You approved this one? How about you, I spread? So far, so good. I think it's my favorite trail so far on this trip.
Yes, sir.
Fairyland.
Nah, Fairyland?
Fairyland. Everyone. Fairyland.
Everyone, you hear that? Hey, Fairyland is where it's at.
Fairyland's undefeated.
And it's free. And it's free.
And it's free. What about kilometers for our European friends?
I don't know. They can Google it, you know.
It's a long way down. Go for it. It's crazy. Yeah, clearly we didn't have fun, so don't come to the Narrows and don't jump off giant boulders. About an hour before we have to get to the airport and hit up our flight from Miami. We're here fixing shit up.
Look at us.
Trying to
Make the best of our
Katie
Vegas.
Court
We're in Katie Court in a parking lot outside a motel.
in Vegas.
They gated up the park we were going to.
And Alfred over here is pouring ice out of his shoes.
Ice spread.
Melted ice.
Somehow this water is warmer than the weather outside.
silicone earplugs for the snorer in your life. They work wonderfully well.
Sorry to put you on blast, Alfred.